One invention changed everything. One discovery changed everything. So one can change a lot. In fact, one can change everything. Hi, I'm Pranjal Kamra, and in the next 10 minutes, I'll bring you a path-breaking product that will redefine the way India invests. Let me begin with an interesting incident that led us to this moment. One fateful day after starting Finology, I got a call on my number. And by the way, my personal number was our call center. The person on the phone call was a soldier, and he excitedly tells me how this was his first phone call in weeks. In fact, he was waiting for his mobile to enter the coverage area so that he could talk to me. Why would a soldier call me? I was curious. It's then that he tells me how our content at Finology helped him change his investing habits and saved him from a financial disaster. His trust, his joy gave us a purpose. That one moment defined our mission. We want Indians to invest intelligently and grow financially. But how do you satisfy the needs of a nation with 1.4 billion people? How do you create something that adds value to everyone's life? How do you create something that delights everyone at once? After months of planning, scrapping, and then replanning, we finally think we have the answer. Today, the way you invest will change forever. Yes, forever. I know it's a bold statement, but at Finology, we have always believed in taking bold steps and pushed the boundaries of what's possible. What if there was a virtual investment manager who understood you, just like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, understands you and recommends things you like while making life easier for you every day? Imagine there was a virtual assistant who helped you get rid of your loans and EMIs, helped you buy your dream house in next 10 years, helped you retire at 45. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Recipe, your clever investment manager. Need stock ideas? It has it. Mutual fund recommendations? Of course. Retirement plans, insurance, goal planning? Oh, it has that too. Recipe is scientifically designed to understand 3 things about you before rolling out suggestions. More about your present financial situation, your temperament, and your goals and needs, so that everything it then suggests is tailor-made for your needs. And since it's backed by technology, it's not biased, and it's 100% committed to serving all of you equally. Starting today, you'll never invest the wrong way. But today, we are not changing one thing. We want to change everything. Since this change has already begun, let's change the way India learns finance and investing. Do you know over 15 lakh students appear for CBSE class 10th exam? Imagine 15 lakh students who have all read the same books, the same poems, and the same formulas. But these 15 lakh people are not the same. Their aptitude is different. Their speed is different. Sadly, our education does not adjust according to the needs of an individual. Secondly, our attention span, it's reducing. But academics and educational content creators have not accepted this reality. This means bulky, boring, and never-ending courses that no one consumes. The solution? Introducing Quest by Finology, India's quickest and personalized way to learn finance and investing. It has features like sprint and bite-sized courses so that you can choose what you want to learn without wasting your attention span on irrelevant topics. It also has flashcards, learn something new in seconds, and financial IQ, competitive learning at its best. And last but not the least, Racetrack, unique learning paths designed for different needs. All of us are different, but investing courses that you bought did not change according to your needs. Quest respects your uniqueness and carves out a distinct experience for you because you are one of a kind. And since everything is changing, let's change one more thing. Think about it. You can't learn playing cricket by reading books, right? You need a bat in your hand. Same is the case with investing. Investing is more about practice than theory. No matter how many books you read, if you can't find the right information about the stock, you can't make the right judgment. But sadly, most stock analysis platforms are built by IT engineers, not investors. Which is why whether you are checking an IT company or a bank, it would still show you the exact same data and the exact same ratios. This is why we are introducing Ticker 2.1. It's built for flexibility. It automatically customizes the data and ratios according to the company you are analyzing. For example, if it's a bank, it will highlight its NPA and capital adequacy. It's built by investors, so it understands your needs. We know how frustrating spreadsheets could be, so we have built automatic valuation tools like DCF, so you never need a spreadsheet again. Ticker is unique in the sense that it's inspired from your daily lives. It's made keeping you in mind. Like its help buttons that helps integrate learning with research. And of course, we know your fascination for IPOs. Introducing IPOs page with updated subscription status, grey market premium, and all the news you need. We are also making Ticker social. What others are searching, in which stocks are others investing, and what they are tracking. So you always know what's hot. We told you it's built with you in mind. But wait, here's the biggest problem of them all. There are more than 5,000 listed companies in the stock market. How do you choose? So through Ticker, here's how we help you pick the right stocks. First, we help you identify with various features like brand search, super investors, stock directory, market movers, screeners, and bundles. Then we help you with analyzing those stocks with features like peer comparison, all the company documents that you need, customized ratios, and financial statements. Then we also help you with tracking those stocks with features like industry data, portfolio, and multiple watch lists. So here we are with Recipe, Quest, and Ticker. 3 world-class products that are built with the aim to provide you everything you need to succeed financially. But I told you, we will change everything today. And we will be bold today. Very, very bold. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the revolutionary Finology One. With Finology One, our mission was simple, making a positive impact on every Indian's life. So ease of use was the most important brief given to our teams. And our product teams, they spent sleepless nights ensuring that Recipe, Quest, and Ticker are absolutely easy to use for everyone. Ease of use also means that these products should be easy to subscribe, which means there could only be one subscription, not 3. And then these products had to be integrated because it makes no sense to integrate these products under one subscription if they don't talk to each other. So while Ticker gives stock market data to Recipe, Quest lends educational content to Ticker. And there are dozens of such integrations. In fact, our second brief to the team was to make these products accessible not just to HNIs or businessmen, but also to college students, fresh graduates, and homemakers. Because our mission will be incomplete if the vast majority of Indians are not able to experience these 3 magical products. This also means everyone is equal. No special packages for HNIs, no differentiation, and no compromise on features based on pricing plans. For us, whether you are worth 1,000 crore rupees or 1,000 rupees, you are one. And for us, you are equally important. Which means you get a comprehensive and personalized financial plan and 15 plus stock and mutual fund recommendations on Recipe. 25 plus courses at launch with more coming soon, and 3 racetracks on Quest, and 5,000 plus companies, IPOs, screeners, and super investors on Ticker. You get all of this with Finology One at an unbelievable price of just 1,999 a month. But didn't I tell you we will go bold? So let's reduce this price by 50% because I don't like this one in the beginning. So you get all of this at an unbelievable price of just 999 rupees a month. How's this for pricing? But we told you, we'll go really bold. So let's reduce this price by 50% again, and you get one at just rupees 499 a month. Recipe, Quest, Ticker. 3 great products, 1 simple subscription, 1 single price, and unlimited access. We told you, one changes everything.